the Indians were concerned. And he's picked him away. It's gone all the way. Here he goes on the onside. Another boundary. If he pitches it up, he'll go over middle. Very good catch, but it's behind the boundary. Pitched it up. Bang!
Over the side.
Bang again through the offside. Wow, what an over for Pakistan. What entertainment already. 23 of the over, 32 for no loss. Full toss, gets the treatment. 6. Third of the innings for Afridi. He goes again. Another one. What a welcome to the crease for Anil Kumble. 2 balls, 2 sixes. Afridi has moved on to 33 and 4 sixes in this innings. He goes over middle. Into the boundary. That's a good cricketing shot. He didn't quite time it, but the intention was right. He was looking to hit in the right. Goes again. Over long on. A huge hit for 6. The 50 comes up for Pakistan. Wawalachi. In the air, beats square leg into the boundary. The thing for Balaji now is not getting any straight drive for 4. It's a quick outfield, and it's Shahid Afridi's bat. Another quick 50 for Shahid Afridi. And that's 6 number 200. It's just staggering when you look at it. 6 number 200 for Shahid Afridi. The 6th of this inning moved to 59 of 20. Safe enough and long enough. I can tell you it didn't come from the middle of the bat. 6 number 7 for Shahid Afridi.
Well, Sanjay, I know one thing.
He's got it through. That should be 4. Even Kev won't get there. This outfield is lightning quick. You can't do anything predictable to Shahid Afridi. There he goes for 6 number 8. And it lands. Another big one, the world record for 4. Another 4. In fact, not so many people are bothering to applaud the 4. Just looking for enough. Another big one. It's gone high up and safely over the advertising hoarding. Goes over the top again. Mohammad Kef after it, and could be one of those rare stops while the ball is running towards the boundary. He goes over the top again. 1, 2, couple of bounces into the advertising hoarding. That's gone quickly, very quickly to the cover boundary. What can he do? Everybody, in fact, have a sheepish smile on their face. And in the end, down the ground, the second fastest 100 in one-day internationals.